Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to make animated stickers from live photos on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Photos app on your iPhone. Then tap Albums from bottom menu. Scroll down little bit and tap Live Photos. Now select a live photo to edit. Briefly press on the subject and wait until an outline appears on it. Tap Add Sticker and wait for it to finish. When sticker added, tap and hold on newly created sticker. Then choose Add Effect. Here you will see live icon by default off. Tap live button on top left. Immediately you will see live effect on your newly created sticker. Now tap done on top left. So these are the steps to create animated stickers from live photos on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.